Ray spends 3 hours going for a bike ride to the beach and back home. If he traveled to the beach at a rate of 10 miles per hour and traveled back home at 5 miles per hour, how long did it take him to get to the beach, and how long did it take him to get back home? How far is the beach from his house? So he's going to the beach at a rate of 10 miles per hour, and he's going back home at a rate of 5 miles per hour. He spends a total of 3 hours traveling. So I'm going to make the time to the beach X and the amount of time spent traveling back home, the total, which is 3 minus X. To get the last column, multiply across the rate times the time. Since it's round trip, we're going to set the distance to the beach and the distance back home equal to each other. Distribute 15 minus 5x. Add 5x to each side. 15x equals 15. Divide each side by 15, and x equals 1. Now we have to plug back in. To the beach, which is x, means he traveled for 1 hour to the beach. Back home, which was 3 minus x, is going to be 3 minus 1, which is 2 hours back home. So that's one part of the answer. The last line says, how far is the beach from his house? So we need to find the distance. So we can plug back in, since it's round trip, we could plug back into either distance. So I'm going to plug back into 10x. X, the time traveled, was 1 hour. So 10 times 1 is going to be 10 miles. So that's how far the beach was from his house.